Where should we fill the bottle?
Maybe there will be some spring water. So this is a place when people come for cycling or walking. So they stay here. It's a big forest in Bratislava. One of the nice which I ever have been experienced. They stay here, everyone, and enjoy in the sun. And there is a restaurant. You can enjoy there some drinks, soft, hot drinks, food. People came here with families. Some came alone, running and enjoying. It's a nice opportunity. And the best part is the people are so clean. You will never see here like any tissue paper, any dirt. They are socially so aware. This is the good part of here. People, and they keep everything clean. I often came here with my friend, and it's very nice, often like Sundays, Saturdays to chill it out here. And it's very, when you feel the nature, it's give you a great relaxation, which you cannot find in anything else. The relaxation which the nature gave you, I don't know. You feel it, the breeze, the sounds, the birds, winds, nature. It's amazing. I think especially the PhD students, everyone has to spare some time for themselves to enjoy the nature, to be with nature once a week or twice a week, and it's a good opportunity.
What's that?
Sheep,
Sheep or goats?
goats. So, how did you find here? Do you have some like this, like big public forest, park, national parks in Iran?
Yes. Yeah.
Iran? Where? In which cities?
In the north of the Iran is like you.
North of
Close to
Iran?
the Caspian Sea.
Ah. It's so big, you can see.
Mm.
Ooh.